So we're heading up to our destination known as Asama Shrine.
Asama Jinja.
Asama Jinja. Oh man, it's a bit misty. My Fuji is a bit misty at the back. But it's such beautiful days a month. They're kind of caught him off guard. Yeah. Well, before when you get here, like you have to climb. Like it's pretty steep climb, don't you think, Nicole?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Not too bad, yeah.
Not too bad.
But man, look at that view. Look at that view.
Got nice sun today.
Yeah. Actually, that's a very nice sun there. Yeah. Very nice sun. That's Nicole. Probably seen some of my videos. That's Tatsuya, my Kanazawa bro, and then my longtime friend and compadre, Makoto, Mark. And that's you.
I think here.
Hey, let's shoot this.
Here's this place.
Yeah, so here. Right here.
What?
How's it?
It's good, it's cool. Looks really nice, serene, peaceful. Mount Fuji is appearing, clouds are clearing up.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it looks good.
Next up is Lake Saiko. So cool. Oh, it's fucking cool. Oh my god, their hands are so cold. So cold. But what the interesting part about Lake Saiko is what they call. Well, Nicole doesn't know, but she will soon because what's that, Nicole? What's that?
You can see Mount Fuji.
You can see Mount Fuji. Oh my god, you can see Mount Fuji. Look at Mount Fuji. Oh my god. Look at Mount Fuji. Look at Fuji. But enough about Fuji, enough about us, brother. Let's take some drone shots of Fuji.
今は、Narusawa鍾乳洞です。
So as Thing said, we're going to the ice caves. One of the interesting things about coming here is like how like the height was like how the height was what?
Still like what, 91 cm?
91 cm, man.
Less than a meter.
Fuck. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind for sure.
Probably.
Short Spider-Man. It's really short. Like my god. Like Tatsuya is right there. He's pretty tall. My god. So short, man. There was a segment in there that's
So they brought
Wow.
these ice blocks here like 100
So
years
short.
ago.
really.
I don't know, like what I read. I think they
My
brought
god,
these-
it's currently almost like -2 degrees Celsius. -4. It's -4. Wow, -4. We're waiting inside the Fuji Q spa, Highland Resort,
Highland Resort and Spa
because we're here for the what, Mark?
for the New Year's Eve countdown fireworks.
Yeah. And one thing to also note when you're here for New Year's Eve fireworks, especially when you're in Japan, is that there are no Tokyo fireworks, which is kind of unexpected. They do have the Shibuya countdown. But not actual fireworks in Tokyo.
Not for this year, at least.
Well, not for this year. So that's kind of the reason why we're here in the first place. Let's check it out. But first, there's some awesome illuminations just by the side. As you can see, Mark's like sitting his ass on the grill. Because it's what?
It's freaking cold.
Yeah, like Mark forgot. Poor Mark, he forgot his neck warmer for him. But yeah, let's check it out. Les millions de péfons. So, one interesting fact about Fuji Q Highland is it's a French village just right by the front. If you've never been here before. Oh, this is awesome.
Parties.
And entrance to Fuji Q Highland is free. Before, you had to pay for entrance, but now it's free. You can pay for individual rides, or you get a day pass before you enter. So you're gonna enter New Year's Eve. Get your ticket first at the ticket gate.
楽しみ。いいな。2021年もありがとうございました。2022年も頑張りましょう。
it's somewhat disappointing, the fireworks. Sat there like for 25 minutes during the cold. And far out, we've got like literally the fireworks for 13 seconds. 13 seconds. I kid you not, 13 seconds. Watch it.
No way.
もっと欲しい
That copy it.
But after the slight disappointment, we're gonna try to at least end the evening with a bit of karaoke. That's to kind of spice things up and then head off to bed, because that was a little bit kanashina.
Let's go.
A little bit kanashina. Okay, let's go.
Let's go brave that cold.
Let's go. We're gonna go karaoke. We'll see you tomorrow morning, and we're gonna go biking. Yeah.
Two.
I want to eat now.
Okay. Here's chocolate.
Mark, what are you getting, Mark?
Got lots of presents for Suki Sensei, and people got me good birthday gifts.
Nice.
For the staff.
Nice. Ta-da! They look fresh though. Absolutely fresh.
Huh?
Nice.
There you go.
Small reveal. The big bite. Oh, there. There we go. Spin it around for me, Don. You spin me right round, baby, right round. That thing is steaming, Mark. What is that, by the way? What's that?
Balls. Cognac balls. Cognac balls of cognac.
Nice, nice, nice. What's the taste? What's the taste? Taste. Okay.
What?
Good.
Chewy. Good dashi.
Nice, very nice, man.
Good.
So right at the spot, then there's Oishi Park, which is a famous, a relatively famous place because it's got that thing, what, lavender fields with the backdrop of Mount Fuji again. There's the theme of Kawaguchiko. The theme of Kawaguchiko is lavender. Look at these guys. What do you get? What do you get? What do you get?
Lavender ice cream.
Lavender ice cream. Did you get lavender ice cream?
Yes.
Okay, good. What would you?
No.
I don't know. Okay, ja, hanbun.
that's a bit, yeah.
Go.
美味しい。
美味しいパン。美味しい。
美味しいファーム。美味しいファームだから美味しいよ。
そう。半分。
Go, could you help me take a photo?
Yeah. So, when they first came here with Kat, she was like, "Oh my God, this is the best ice cream I've had in my life."
This is the best ice cream I've ever had in my life. This is amazing.
And my God, it's fantastic. You get some great views. Oh man. And that pretty much ends. Thank you so much for our vlog style sort of video. I've done this for such a while. We just finished our trip at Kawaguchiko. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you later. These guys are arguing because, yeah, they're talking about like who owes which money. But thank you so much for watching. Catch you later. Bye guys. Bye.